What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on in the shop this week at LATROBE. So behind me, we've got a Ford Ranger, and this is a Tremor Edition Ranger. Not something I think we've ever seen before, but this one got window tint. It's got a graphics package, a different grille than the regular Ranger, a different bumper actually too, it looks like. Pretty cool. We had an F-150 Tremor in here too. Must be doing Tremor packages on a lot of different things now. Ford Mustang, this one just got finished up with a remote start system. You can't tell because today's pretty nice, but we had snow here a couple of days ago and it is that time of year. So if you need heated seats, you need a remote start system, give us a call, we'll get you set up. We've got a K9 unit vehicle. This is for the Park Police. And we previously installed the cage and basically did the full upfit on this car. Tinted the side windows and it was back for us to tint a visor across the top of the windshield. And right beside that car, we've got an F-150. This one is black on black, paint corrected and ceramic coated. It's looking awesome in the sun. Looks like a mirror. Wheels got done, of course, too. Got the wheels off package. And over here, not sure why this hood's up, but we've got a Hyundai Santa Cruz. So this is like the little half truck thing, almost like a modern day El Camino from Hyundai. Did paint protection on the whole front end of that. I think that's all that's getting. I don't think that one's getting coated, but it's almost ready to go home. We've got some lighting integrated into the grille, which I think is pretty cool. A big, beautiful boat. Hellcat red eye, just like mine. Wide body. It's got the light brown interior, which I like a lot with this dark red. This one got paint protection on the whole front end. We're ceramic coating the car, and it's up for window tint, I believe this afternoon or tomorrow. And that one's gonna be ready to go home soon. This is Frank, AKA Caddy, the shoe man. If you guys want sneakers, he's got like hundreds of pairs, just this thing. Caddy's Kicks, right? I think he has a brand, Caddy's Kicks. Check him out on Instagram, I'm sure. Yukon, this one got ceramic coated yesterday, cured inside overnight. It is now ready to go home. Looks like we probably tinted the windows on that one also. I've been out of the shop for a little while. And down there behind the Yukon, the second tractor in a couple of weeks. So that one's getting tint all the way around. Gonna get done hopefully tomorrow. They can be really challenging to tint, especially those big side doors. They're pretty curved and really big. So those are always fun. Our loaner car's here. You guys hear me mention it every once in a while. If you need PPF or ceramic coating done, you don't know how you're gonna get home, you don't have anybody to follow you, you have no friends, that's okay. We have a car for you. There it is. It's like 130 horsepower. It does have remote start though. It's all-wheel drive, so you can get around in the winter. Let's go check out what's inside. While John was swapping some things around, came across the GT4 RS. If anybody knows where I can get an allocation for that, call me, because I want it. But nobody can get it for me. All right, in the tint bay, Terrell is working on, what are you working on? Grand Cherokee fronts and a visor. Almost done? Just starting? Just starting. GMC Sierra AT4, we do a lot of these trucks. Full front end paint protection film, ceramic coating going down right now. You can see we've taped off all the plastic trim for polishing. In the wash bay, we've got an annual inspection for a ceramic coated truck. We're also cleaning up the interior. We don't do a lot of detailing anymore these days, but if it's here for a ceramic coating or some sort of service with that, a lot of times we will add that on. And over here, we've got a Porsche 911 992. This one got paint protection on the whole front end as well as the rocker panels. It is next up for a coating, so they're just about to get started on that. Our good friend Jeff, this is the third or fourth car, I think fourth car we've done for him. And you can see, I'm not sure if you can catch it in this light, but there's a lot of micro scratches and swirl marks on this car. So a lot of unique things with this car though. So I think this is a 2015 with 157 original miles on it. So it's brand new, it still smells brand new. It also is swapped out to a digital cluster from a new Volkswagen with a whole new like center display with the nav and all that stuff. He had a gentleman just do that a couple of weeks ago. So it's super modern on the inside, which is cool. The reason it's here, we're polishing the whole car, of course. We're doing paint protection film on the whole front end, the rocker panels, and basically anywhere else that we think it might need it. We're tinting the windows with our Expel XR Plus series, so that's the top of the line for heat rejection, and it's also getting ceramic coated. Wheels off package, of course. We're gonna see if we can clean up those brake rotor hubs a little bit for them too, so lots going on that one. Over here's a Dodge Charger, and this one got some vinyl work done before, and we weren't happy with some of it. They weren't happy with some of it. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure we get that taken care of for them. This is the shoe guy, by the way. Here he is, look at him, making shoe deals. And we've got a remote start on this one, right, Steve? So heated seats, we're adding those in. A lot of people don't realize you can do that aftermarket, but we can. And that's it for what's going on in this LATROBE shop. We're not gonna take you down to the other one. There's not a whole lot there right now. We are gonna take you over to Gibsonia. Luke, show us what's going on over there.
What's up, guys? This is Luke from Blackout, North Pittsburgh, here to show you what's going on at the Gibsonia shop. Up first, we have a 2019 Porsche Cayenne. This one is in for full Expel HP Prime window tint, on all the side windows, the back window, and the visor. Moving over to this side of the shop, we have a 2019 Acura Mdx. This was in to get the front two doors tinted along with a visor on the top of the windshield. A Lamborghini Gallardo. This was in last week actually to get the side windows done and the XR Prime window tint 5%. And it's in this week to get Dyno Flex installed on the front windshield. That's going to cover the entire windshield to stop rock chips and damage from other road debris from nicking the windshield. 2019 Shelby Gt350. This was also in the shop last week to get the side windows and the back window done and the window tint. And we also started the full wrap last week. It's back in here this week to finish the full wrap on all the body panels, along with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That's all for what's going on here at the North Pittsburgh shop. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thanks a lot, Luke. Appreciate it. It's always nice to see lots going on at that shop also. We're getting super busy there. Always busy here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to get on our schedule, give us a call. Gift certificates, we're going to be running specials for Black Friday. It's the only time of the year that we run specials, so make sure you check that out. And if you haven't already subscribed to us on YouTube, make sure you do that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.